So the next three Sunday strategies are going to be connected with the core concept of brain-aligned preventative discipline. As I have looked over and studied and listened recently to neuroscientists looking at the research of connection and attachment and regulation, I really, in these next three videos, want to talk in general about this new lens for discipline, which is good for all students, but it really targets our children and our adolescents who are walking in with significant adverse childhood experiences. So this new behavioral lens in this first segment is all about my brain state. This new shift in how we discipline, in how we build and strengthen connections and attachment, and how we sit beside our children and adolescents, helping to regulate not only their nervous system, but in return our nervous systems, because it's a very reciprocal process. I want to go over the basic facets of this brain-aligned preventative discipline. And not to leave anything out, I am going to use a few notes. And the first part of this is really listening beneath the behavior. Michael McKnight and I are waiting for our new book to come out, and this is actually the subtitle of the book, Eyes Are Never Quiet, Listening Beneath the Behaviors of Our Most Troubled Children. This discipline is prevention focused, and it is implemented in routines, procedures, transitions, bell work, and morning or afternoon meetings. It is nothing extra that we are asking educators or administrators to do. It also is about natural, organic consequences. If a student has, if they have really struggled with externalizing behaviors, meaning they've been destructive to another student or in the classroom, those natural consequences are about repairing and restitution. The other piece of this new lens is about co-regulation. It is about sitting beside our children and adolescents, modeling the behaviors that we want to see through co-regulation. Meaning, I'm not going to use words. I am not going to actually and unintentionally escalate the conflict, but I'm going to sit beside and join up with that student as they calm before I even begin to discipline. And lastly, this discipline is not only about stopping the behaviors that we don't want to see, but it's about replacing those behaviors that we do want. So in the next couple of segments, I'm going to be talking about the integration of small, medium, and large backup systems, and then looking at how we infuse and incentivize the behaviors that we want to see. Have a great Thanksgiving, everyone.